Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to highlight a specific word in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here many data. Now you want to highlight a specific word. At first, select any word. Now I am select the cell. Then go to the home menu. Click the shading or the fill color drop down menu. Now I am select the highlight color. We can see here the highlight color yellow. Now you can see we highlight a word easily. You can highlight multiple word at once. Select this multiple cell, click and drag on your mouse and select the fill color drop down menu and choose highlight. Now we can see we highlight a specific word in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.